Welcome back. Today, I have something important to share, something that can change your life. Listen closely. You can speak English fluently, and you can do it sooner than you think. English is not impossible. English is not too hard. Maybe you studied English for years, but when you need to speak, your mind goes blank. You know the words. You understand when you listen. You understand when you read. But when it's time to talk, you freeze. You feel nervous when you try. You hesitate. You stop. You don't even try because you're afraid. Afraid of looking silly. Afraid of making mistakes. I understand. When people speak fast, it feels impossible to follow. It makes you feel frustrated. But today, everything changes. You will not feel afraid anymore. You will not struggle anymore. Right now, as you hear my voice, you are learning English. The secret to learning English? You must listen and speak. I will show you the easy way, the natural way, to learn English. In this video, you will practice listening and comprehension as I speak. Are you ready? Today, I'm going to talk about my hometown and my daily life. I think you'll find this interesting, because we all have a hometown, right? And we all have daily routines. You can do this by listening to how I explain my daily routine, every detail of what I do. After watching this video, you will be able to express your actions in English. You do not need to memorize hundreds of words. You do not need to study complicated grammar rules. You only need to listen to how I speak, how I express myself. That's how you learned your native language as a child. This is the only way. Children listen when we speak, but unlike you, they don't remain silent. They speak what they hear, even if they make mistakes. Mistakes are natural. They are part of learning. I am still learning French, and I am really good now, because I use this method, listen and speak. If you do this, if you try to speak what you hear, you will speak fluently. Now, I will help you improve your listening and speaking ability. Listen carefully. My hometown. I was born in a small town called Greenfield. It's a very quiet place, not a big city. In my hometown, there are many trees and parks. The air is fresh, and the people are friendly. When I was a child, I played outside every day with my friends. We rode bicycles. We played soccer. And sometimes, we climbed trees. Do you remember your childhood? Was it similar or different? In Greenfield, there is one main street with small shops. There's a bakery where I bought bread every morning. The baker, Mr. Johnson, always smiled and said, "Good morning," in a loud voice. I liked him because he was kind. Next to the bakery, there was a small library. I spent many hours there reading books. My favorite books. Books about animals and adventures. Do you like reading? What kind of books do you like? My hometown doesn't have tall buildings or busy streets. It's peaceful. But when I was 18, I moved to the city. The city is very different. It's noisy, and there are always many people. Sometimes, I miss my hometown because life was simpler there. But the city has more opportunities. For example, I became an English teacher here. Do you live in a city or a small town? Which one do you prefer? My daily routine. Now, let's talk about my daily routine. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. I don't like waking up late. Because I feel tired all day. The first thing I do? I open the window and take a deep breath. Then, I drink a glass of water. Water is very important for your health. Do you drink water in the morning? After that, I do some light exercise. I stretch my arms and legs for 5 minutes. I don't go to the gym because I don't have time. But stretching helps me feel awake. Then, I take a shower and get dressed. For breakfast, I usually eat toast with jam and drink tea. I love tea, especially green tea. What do you eat for breakfast? At 8 o'clock, I start working. I teach English online to students from different countries. Some students are from Brazil, others from Japan or Turkey. I enjoy teaching because I meet new people every day. But sometimes, my students don't understand me. I need to repeat words slowly, and that's okay. Learning a language takes time. Do you study English every day? In the afternoon, I take a break. I eat lunch around 1 p.m. My favorite lunch? Rice with vegetables and chicken. After lunch, I walk for 10 minutes. Walking is good for digestion. Then, I work again until 5 p.m. In the evening, I cook dinner. I'm not a great cook, but I try to make simple meals. Last night, I made pasta with tomato sauce. It was delicious. Before bed, I read a book or watch a short video in English. This helps me relax and learn new words. I go to sleep at 10:30 p.m. because sleep is important. If I don't sleep enough, I feel terrible the next day. How many hours do you sleep every night? Having a routine is very helpful. Why? Because it makes life easier. If you do the same things every day, you don't waste time thinking, what should I do now? For example, if you study English at the same time every day, it becomes a habit. And habits are powerful. They help you improve without feeling stressed. But routines can also be boring. Sometimes, I want to do something different. So on weekends, I change my routine. I wake up later. I meet friends. Or I visit new places. Last Sunday, I went to a museum. It was interesting. Do you like museums? What do you do on weekends? Okay, let's review. Today, we talked about my hometown, my daily routine, and why routines are helpful. Remember, learning English is like having a routine. If you practice a little every day, you will improve. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try your best. Now, I have some questions for you. 1. Tell me about your hometown. Is it big or small? 2. What is your daily routine like? Do you study English in the morning or evening? Write your answers in the comments, I'll read them. Thank you for listening. If you liked this video, please subscribe and click the bell. See you next time.
Today, we're talking about something super important: how to start a conversation. Most of us struggle when we try to talk to someone in English. Sometimes we just don't know how to start, right?
Yeah, starting a conversation can feel a little scary, but don't worry. Today, we'll teach you simple and easy ways to start a conversation and keep it going.
Whether you're meeting someone new, making friends, or just improving your English skills, knowing how to start a conversation is really important. The first thing you need to start a conversation is a greeting. You don't have to say something super clever. A simple "Hi, how are you?" works great, but it's important to know how to greet different people, friends, strangers, coworkers, and more. Let's see how to greet people. Good morning. How are you? Good afternoon. How's your day going? You can use this in polite or professional setting, but what if you want to talk to your friend or if you want to use in casual manner? What's up? Long time no see. How have you been? It's nice to see you. What have you been up to? Let's see how it goes in a conversation.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, I'm good. Thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, just getting some coffee. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I come here a lot. The coffee here is really good.
Nice, I'll try it. By the way, how's work?
It's okay. A bit busy.
Same. Work is busy, but it's fine.
What if you want to start a conversation with someone new? How can you do that? Here are some simple ways to introduce yourself. Hi, I don't think we have met before. I am Jess. Nice to meet you. What brings you here today? Hey, I've seen you around, but never got the chance to say hi. I am Maggie. Use compliments. Everyone loves a good compliment. If you like someone's outfit, hairstyle, or even their phone case, just tell them. For example, "Hey, I love your jacket. Where did you get it?" "That's a great book you are reading. I've heard a lot about it. What do you think so far?" You're really good at explaining things so clearly. Have you always been a great communicator? Let's see an example of how this works.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Jess.
Oh, hi Jess. I am Maggie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What brings you here today?
I just need a quiet place to get some work done. How about you?
Same. I love working in cafes. By the way, I love your jacket. Where did you get it?
Oh, thanks. I get it from a little boutique downtown.
It looks great on you. I should check that place out sometime.
If you are at work, you might need to talk to colleagues or meet new friends professionally. Here are some ways to start a conversation at work. Good morning. How was your weekend? Hey, I'm John. I don't think we have had a chance to introduce ourselves. Hey, I heard you're working on new project. Let's look at an example.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Good morning. It was nice. Just relax at home. How about you?
Same here. By the way, I don't think we've had a chance to introduce ourselves. I'm Alicia.
Nice to meet you, Alicia. I am John.
Nice to meet you too. I heard you're working on the new project. How's it going?
It's going well. Still a lot to do, but it's exciting. Are you working on it too?
Not directly, but I'd love to hear more about it.
Wow, it's really nice outside today. This place is so busy. Do you come here often? This place always smells amazing. Have you been here before? Wow, this rain just won't stop. Do you like this kind of weather or you are more of a summer person? This music is great. Do you know who made the playlist? Let's see an example.
Wow! This place is so busy. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I come here a lot. Their coffee is really good.
Nice. It's my first time here. What do you recommend?
The cappuccino is really good. You should try it.
Sounds great. I'll get that. By the way, this place always smells amazing. Have you been coming here for a long time?
Yeah, for a few months now. It's just nice spot to relax. See, starting a conversation doesn't have to be hard. Just remember these easy steps. Greet the person, introduce yourself, ask a simple question, give a compliment, talk about what's happening around you. Try this in real life and see how easy it is to start a conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a lesson. See you next time.